Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this third day of December 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others. All right, here we go. We have to look for our strong candle indicator. The market's made a move down, failed. We got this one to start, and then we have this one again right here. We're not even retracing on these candles, so we put cover orders over the top. The PVI is not as much as it's been all week. It's kind of slow. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 40 and 60 ticks long. So if I add a cover order on, we're just going to have a modest ATM. So we're going to go for 11 ticks, 21 ticks, and 41 ticks. And we're going to de-risk after 11. So that's where we are. And again, we'll put a cover order on. If it retraces, we'll go ahead and pick it up off the body. All right, so here's how it went down today. Okay, when we get picked up on the trade, we'll put our stop where it belongs. Boom, first target's out. Didn't move our stop, so we're gonna, our stop should come to -9. So if it takes us out at break even, we have the option of getting back into the trade again. So we just don't go to +1. We give the market a little bit of room to maneuver. And see, it took us out. Now we can go ahead and put it over the top again. If we get picked up again, that's fine. We can still use the current candle for our stop. Now it's made a bit of a retrace, so we can go off the body of the candle now and re-enter the trade. So we got a break-even trade the first time. Now we need to put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point, which is down there. And now we wait for this to gather steam again and come back and get us again. All right, this time it went to 12 ticks, so it automatically moved our stop to a break-even position. And now we're just going to wait and see if we can get our larger targets. We'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit. That's 4 times market speed. All right, so first 2 targets are out. And we're going for our 40 tick target right here. Larger targets always take a little bit longer to hit. So we'll just hang in there. Again, it's not a very dynamic market. I mean, it's pretty slow. And there we go. We finally got our last target taken out. And that trade took just a little over 3 minutes to complete. And it was worth 440 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 440 US dollars in a little over 3 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.